Would you like to learn how to draw and paint it? You would? Brilliant! Start by drawing a circle for the face and 2 circles for the eyes. And the dummy. And then we're going to do a cute little bow on the head. Aww. Let's do it wrapped up in a lovely blanket. Some eyelashes. Now, some accessories. Every babe's got to have their accessories, you know. We got the milk bottle with a measuring line on it. And a dummy, a spare one. Got to have a spare dummy. A onesie. Oh, with a heart. Don't forget the poppers. And we've got a baby rattle. To match the onesie, of course. Some more hearts. Fantastic. Let's just darken up the borders. Our usual trick, so that when we paint it nice bright colours, they stand out super well. Almost done. Right, ready to paint. Let's go for a yellow for our milk bottle. Lovely. And some pink. Perfect. Let's go for purple for the handle of the dummy, then pink, and then some yellow to match the milk bottle. Lovely peachy colour for our baby. Oh, coochie, so cute. Carefully paint around the eyes and the dummy. The nose. Let's do the ears too. Okay, going for yellow for the middle of our bow and purple. Lovely. And some pink dummy. I think we've got a baby girl here. Ooh, purple in the middle. Some more purple and a lovely pink wrap. Wow, she looks super cute, don't you think? Of course, you can choose any colours you like. Yellow for the onesie going around the heart. Now let's think about it. What colour should we do the heart? Any idea? Pink to match the neckline. Yellow rattle too. So you see we've got a theme going on here. Lots of yellow and pink and purple. You can use the same idea and match up all your accessories with the baby. Aww, and you can choose. You want to do a boy? You want to do a girl? The choice is yours. I had so much fun drawing and painting this baby and accessories.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art